Hey dolls, so I am coming to show you dolls this really cute headband wig style with the swoop, because y'all know I like doing different stuff with my headband wigs. So I wanted to test this out. So if y'all want to see how I got this look and where this hair is from, then keep on watching. This hair is from Isee Hair. So this is the box that it came in, and this is a 26-inch straight headband wig. So this is the bag for the hair, and I think this is Malaysian hair, and it's 180 density. It's super silky though. And then they also sent some wig caps, which I used my own, and then they sent several headbands. So I got like 5 different prints of headbands and also a pair of lashes. But y'all know I like the bling headbands, and like more so headbands that you just put on versus the wraparound type ones. So yeah, so I did this really cute style. For this style, I did leave my own hair out in the front, but you can pull hair from the headband wig to do this style if you want. But in my opinion, it looks more natural if you use your own hair, because you could do like your baby hairs and there can actually be a part in the hair. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So for this headband wig, I just prepped my hair by splitting off this top section, and basically what I did was I just flat ironed it, and then I was kind of putting a part in to see where I want my part at. So I'm just going to take my hair in the back that is already kind of loosely braided, and I'm just going to put a ponytail holder back around it, and I'm also going to put a wig cap on the back section of my hair. So now you can see I have the front part of my hair flat ironed and the wig cap on the back section. I'm gonna take the wig. This is the wig. It is constructed with the headband portion that does have the Velcro for you to snap it in the back, and then also you have some combs in here for security. 2 combs on the sides, and then you have one in the center that is further back, and then in the back of the wig you have 1 comb in the back, and this one does not have adjustable straps. So let's see how it fits. This style, I don't know. I may need to cut the band off because it may be in my way, but we will see. I'll try to leave it on because, you know, you may want to use this wig a different way, but you could still use it as a half wig and do the headband kind of thing without having the headband that comes sewn on there, if you know what I mean. So let's see. I'm curious to see how it's going to fit since it doesn't have any elastic. I'm going to go ahead and fasten these as well to hold the wig on in place better. See how it's blending with my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my swoop, because I wanted to do this headband wig different than just the pushback method, which you can still do that as well, but it's been done. Okay, so with this wig I wanted to do the 90s swoop doopy doop. So I'm gonna put my part in. Okay. And then we're going to do some baby hairs and all of that. So I'm going to just clip this back for a second. I'm going to get my edge control. This is the Kiss Edge Fixer, the one that Sweetie does with them. I can say that every time that I use this edge control, just so people can know what it is. But yeah, so I have the, I think this is the watermelon one. I have the watermelon one, which is in the blue container. So I'm just going to lay some edges. So I'm just going in and laying my baby hairs down really easy. Y'all have seen me do this a million times. So I'm just putting a little bit here at the start of the side parts, and then I'm also going to do a little bit of sideburn action, just really simple and easy. I just left it in to show y'all how I styled this wig and how I did my baby hair. It's just really simple, not anything crazy and exaggerated. And then I'm going to slick a little bit of edge control in this little section as well, because it's just going to help my swoop lay better and that hair won't be kind of flying off and doing its own thing. So I'm just parting down a little section for my baby hairs. And y'all know I like to use my mini flat iron, but I didn't plug it up, so I just used the flat iron that I use to flat iron my hair as well as the headband wig. So I just took down some hair. It was a little thick, so I did go back in and take a little bit off because I didn't want it that thick. And I'm just doing a little bit of sideburn action and kind of curling it up a bit, and then it's laid. So I'm just going back in a little bit over the baby hairs once again. I'm playing around with it and just seeing what it's giving and laying everything down and getting it nice and polished. Y'all know I like to have my hair laid and polished, period. Can y'all tell I used to wear a swoop back in the day? You see how fast I did that? A swoop was my go-to all the time. All the time. Baby, I used to be wearing me a ponytail. Curly ponytail with a swoop. Even when I wore my hair down in a wrap with a relaxer in my own hair, baby, it was gonna be swoop doopy doop. Okay, I wasn't having it without no swoop, baby. And that's on period. We got the swoop and the ponytail. We got the swoop and the headband on, and the baby hair is done. This little part, you know, is falling down because I didn't put any hairspray. But let me just show y'all a way to make it stay better, because I just flat iron my hair straight. Can put a curl in it like that, and that's going to give your hair a little bit where it can stay up better. Oh, this make me miss a wrap and a swoop. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a headband on, and that will pretty much be it. Like, it's looking good. And then you can take this and like tuck it under if it's in the way, or if you don't want it to show in your hair that's on this side, can tuck that under too, or you could leave it down, whatever floats your boat. So let me get a headband. I'm gonna just go for my bling headband because this is like my fave, one of my faves. So once I have applied my headband wig, the hairstyle is pretty much complete. You can use any headband that you like. You can use a scarf, whatever you have, you know, that works with your outfit or whatever you want to do. I like these headbands because they're super blingy and they just give a vibe. So you can see how long the hair is and everything, and it's super, super silky and pretty, and it just worked out amazingly. So I just wanted y'all to kind of see the length on it and how silky and how much body the hair has. And this is the back of the hair and where it falls on me. So super cute. Okay, dolls, so here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Super easy, right? This tutorial was super easy, so anyone can do it, and I just think it's so cute and well put together. You know, the headband wig is cool with its slick back, but with a swoop, it just takes it to the next level, and it looks like you have like a, you know, sew in some kind of weave going on. And I don't know, I just really like it with the swoop. It's super cute. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below, and if you have any questions, leave those down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.